Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today, we're looking at the area of a circle. So, let's get into it. Katiana's setting up a circular garden with a sprinkler in the middle. She's trying to figure out how much soil she needs to purchase. The sprinkler sprays out from the center to the edge 4 feet. What is the area of her garden? Well, before we can really get into this, we need to figure out what is actually being asked. Okay, we got to think about it for a sec. We're really answering, what is the area of a circle with a 4 feet radius? Okay? And again, before we get into this, we need to make sure we understand the different parts of a circle. So the circumference is that distance around, and the area is that space inside that circle. We have the diameter, which is that distance all the way across the circle. And we have the radius, which is that distance halfway across the circle. Okay? So, area. We have a formula for this, and it's pi times radius squared, or in place of pi, we usually round that to 3.14 because it's a really big long number that just gets kind of crazy. So, 3.14 times radius squared. And if you're not sure what squared means, it's really 3.14 times radius, okay? So, we know the radius, so let's plug that into the formula. 3.14 times 4, and we get 50.24. That's it. So, Katiana's garden with a 4-foot radius will have an area of 50.24 square feet. All right. So again, the formula calls for radius, and we were given radius, so we just plug that number right into the radius. That's it. So we're not always given the radius, so let's check this one out. Nate made a massive circle cookie. He measured it at 21 inches across. That's a huge cookie. That's like almost 2 feet. He wants to figure out how much cookie there is to eat, because everyone loves cookies. So what is the area of this cookie? This one doesn't take a lot of thinking because it asks us the question, what is the area of the cookie? However, we're going to add on, what is the area of the circle with a diameter of 21 inches? Okay? So again, we have all the parts of a circle there, but this time we're given the diameter, that distance all the way across. So let's look at our formula again. Area is pi 3.14 times radius squared, or 3.14 times radius. But we don't have the radius to use. We have that distance all the way across, we have that diameter. That means we need to convert the diameter to a radius so that we can use our formula. So again, the radius is halfway across, the diameter is all the way across, so we take the diameter, we cut it in half or divide it by 2, that's going to give us the radius, alright? So the radius, in this case, was 21 inches, cut that in half, so the radius is 10.5 inches. So halfway across this cookie is 10.5 inches. So now we can use our area formula, which is 3.14 times 10.5 times 10.5, and we get 346.185. So this cookie that is 21 inches all the way across has an area of 346.185 square inches. That's a lot of cookie. Imagine he's going to be sharing it with somebody, otherwise, whew. All right. So if you want to see more examples like this, or see what we're up to at Mirrorverse Education, visit us at mirrorverseed.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.